Oh, hi guys. You know, it's me, your girl Norleen, and it's Sunday morning in the kitchen, and have I got something special for you. I prepare for you seared salmon drizzled in coconut sauce. Join me on my cooking experience while I take it to you Jamaican style. So I'm gonna throw down in the kitchen, people, because this is my favorite fish. I have 2 tablespoons of oil. I'm gonna put it and let it heated. Now use piece of fish for just test it. I'm gonna fry it on the flat side and then we turn it over, make that sear so that the moisture can lock in it and the flavor can lock in it, people. While that I go and fry, I'm gonna put on a bag of yellow rice. It's one of those pre-packed yellow rice, people. And I just put it in some water, cup of water, and then I stir to ensure that I dissolve all the season and flavor. I'm gonna add the next cup of water to it. I may have to spice it up because it's a Caribbean thing. You know, so we love with spice, right? So I'm gonna spice that up and I'm gonna add some powder season to it. I'm gonna add some butter. I'm gonna add some blended season to it. I will cover it, guys, on high heat, and after it comes to a boil, I'm going to lower the flame to medium heat and allow it to steam. So I'd remove the salmon from the fire and then put it on a plate while the rice is being steamed. I'm gonna do the coconut sauce. I have 2 cups of coconut milk. I'm gonna see this up close. I've added to that a tablespoon of blended season. Stir that in, people. We're gonna add some powder season, add it to taste, black pepper, garlic powder. We're gonna add to that some pimento seed. Those are all spices that I've crushed. I'm gonna add some all-purpose season to it and then cover it and allow it to simmer until I have a thick, rich sauce. All right, people.
I'm
So we need
sauteing
some
some
vegetables to
onions
top off the
and
salmon. So
tomatoes
in
and
the
green
pot, we
bell
have some bell
peppers.
pepper, tomato, and of course some onion. And I'm gonna this, and this will add to the fish. So guys, while all of that go on, I'm gonna put on some okra. I'm gonna split them in two, but before I show you that, people, I'm gonna make you see what the sauce look like. That's a finished sauce. It's a nice and creamy. I'm carry it over so you can see it. The fire is off, guys. I'm just make you see how nice and creamy this look. Next, guys, I'm gonna blanch some okras. A Caribbean thing, okra afi in it. I know you're enjoying this video, guys, so please press that subscribe button. All right, people, so the food done. I'm just want to watch and see how I plate my food. I'm not a professional chef, guys, but I'm gonna put that out there. Me, I no chef. You understand? I'm just sharing my experience because cooking is one of the fun moments my mom and I shared, and so I'm just show no just how much I enjoy doing this. It is seared salmon drizzled in coconut sauce and topped with stir-fried vegetable. Have my tomato, okra them for my the thing fancy up, people. Me I do 2 plate, people, because I just enjoy doing this. So I'm just gonna do 2 plate for to say 2 different arrangement. It is another of my favorite from my pot, my kitchen, people, onto my daughter's table. I'm sure, Danielle, you're going to enjoy this one. Guys, remember, share, subscribe to my channel, people. I know I like up my video them. So, thank you, guys, and thank you for coming on this
So I
cooking
have
journey.
salmon with a little bit of yellow rice on the fork, and I have a little bit of the coconut sauce, and I'm gonna tell you what it tastes like. Yeah, all the persons who have never tried salmon in coconut sauce, you have to have certain amount of Caribbean flavor in you. And know that we put coconut milk in everything, and that coconut milk enhances the flavor of just about everything that you put it in. So, all right, I'm going with the okra and salmon. Yeah, okra and fish is a Jamaican thing. So, you get just the right smooth texture added to the texture of the salmon, and it's a bunch of goodness all over inside your mouth. And I can assure you guys, this is lovely, and I know that you will try this the next time that you're in your kitchen. So go on in the kitchen, guys, get a piece of salmon. If you follow this recipe, you'll have on your hand a very delicious, authentic Caribbean flavor meal that you will totally enjoy, and your family will have you asking for more.